Good morning, and postman's been today and delivered this new kit. Not a new kit, it's obviously second-hand kit that I bought off of eBay. Oh, and a glance through nearly 1/9 scale Harley Sportster. That's going to be interesting. That will go with the other kits that I've got, motorcycle kits. Really should get into doing those at some point. The other thing that turned up today was this vintage classic from Airfix. I think I built one of these back in the day. Little 1/32 beach buggy, those of you that remember beach buggies. Quite a good little kit, I think. Straightforward, very simple, skill level 1. I should cope with that, I think. That was that. That came from Hannon's, and Hannon's also sent me some bits and pieces that I wanted to add to this particular kit. So I got this Airfix Supermarine Seafire. I nearly said it, Spitfire. And what I want to do is build it with the wings folded like that. So in Hannon's stock, I got this set of etch enhancement pieces that go into the folds of the wings. I've also got quick boost resin exhausts. These are great for enhancing the model because they're actually, there you go, just got it drilled out like that. And finally, I've had a couple of these now. This is the PJ Productions resin RF pilots. Great little figure. I've actually got this in the Tempest kit that I'm building. There's another one, and that might go into the Seafire, not sure. But yeah, the latest additions to the set.